uSiphamandla Mhlongo uthi wathinta abameli baka-Advocate Andrew Chauke ecela ukufakaza kulesicawu njengoba ahlukumezeka kakhulu ngezenzo zobudlova zophiko lwamaphoyisa eCato Manor elalaziwa ngelegido.
There is a lot that is happening even currently in our environment that involves the KwaZulu-Natal Police and part of and other departments, which I see it emanates from what has happened during the Cato Manor times. I conducted the team, the Chauke team, in order for me to be able to assist them to unravel the truth of what has happened before.
Umhlongo uthe bantwini abebefunwa eCato Manor besolwa ekubulaweni kwephoyisa uZethembe Chonco ngo-2008 uyena yedwa kanye noGedwane washiya phansi embonini yamatekisi abasinda kanti uthi namanje usasabela impilo yakhe njengoba impi nenhlangano yaseStenga isaqhubeka.
The police or the Cato Manor unit was uncontrollable. No one who has went to Cato Manor from Maphumulo who has come out alive. I'm the only. It's me. It's only myself and Gedwane who has come back alive. I'm living in fear at the moment because the police here in KZN, they are used by our competitors, which is what Dugoza.
Bonke ofakazi asebevele phambi kwalesicawu bakhuluma ngazwi linye bathi amaphoyisa eKito ayengaqonde kubopha umuntu kepha ayebulala kwasani ukuze amacala engafiki enkantolo. Ofakazi balokhu becule icule elilodwa elithi iKito yayitshala izibhamu kuzo zonke izindawo okwasucongelwa kuzo iSulu.
It's a well known phenomenon in the organized crime unit in KZN that if they kill you, the gun will be found next to you, regardless that you were driving a car, you were in the toilet or anywhere. If they've shot and killed you, you will be found with the gun next to you.
Isicawu sikaNkabinde siphenya ngobuqotho buka-Advocate Andrew Chauke njengenhloko ye-NPA ye-South Gauteng. Kepha ubufakazi obethulwe kulesicawu sebuvusa indlovelele basusa amehlo kuChauke bawubuyisela ekusocongweni kwabantu abangama-28 ababulawa amaphoyisa eKito ngendlela engaqondakali. Isicawu sekhomishana kaNkabinde siyaqhubeka.